So there's 3 sauces for Hainanese chicken. You have a ginger scallion sauce with garlic. Basically all it is ginger, scallion, and garlic in a little bowl, and you add a hot oil to it. And you have a chili sauce, which I use this chili garlic sauce. And then I add vinegar and sugar, and then chicken broth, and mix that up. The chicken broth is just the chicken soup broth. And then the third sauce is sort of like a sweet, thick soy sauce. Finally chopping up our ginger. Let's start on the sweet soy sauce. So just a little bit of water, and then add in some chunks of rock sugar. And then for the final sauce, chili garlic sauce here, a bit of sugar, vinegar, and some of this broth. This is usually thicker. I put a little too much broth in. Still good though. All right, then we put some soy sauce in. Now let's heat up some vegetable oil. Soy sauce is done. Okay, oil should be hot. That's that.